Howdy, partner. My name is Jordan. Today, I'll be exploring a farm. And I'll also be telling you some of my favorite animal jokes. So let's go! This chicken can only lay eggs in the winter. That's because she's really old. You can say she is no spring chicken. What did the farmer do to find his missing cow? He tracked her down. Tracked her. This is Whiskey. And as you can see, he needs a haircut. So I'm gonna give him a ponytail. What do you call a pig that knows karate? A pork chop. What do you call a cow that likes to go to church? Holy cow! Don't be so moody. It was just a joke. This bull is about to fall asleep. What do you call a bull that sleeps all the time? A bulldozer. This sheep has no friends. He's a bit of a black sheep. By the way, what is the sheep's favorite kind of joke? Bad jokes. What do you use to count cows? A calculator. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye. Muchas gracias.